death penalty. Pinag-uusapan, pinagdedebatehan. May mga sumasang-ayon at meron din naman mga tumututol. Iba't ibang opinyon, pananaw at kuro-kuro. Sino ba talaga ang tama? Dapat bang ibalik ang death penalty? Magandang umaga po, ako po si Audrey Alcayaga. Samahan ninyo ako at tuklasin ang mga tinig sa likod ng death penalty.
Taong 1950s, sa ilalim ni Pangulong Garcia, sinimula ng parusang bitay sa Pilipinas sa pamamagitan ng silya elektrika. Ngunit nakasaad sa 1987 Constitution sa Bill of Rights na hindi dapat parusang bitay ang pinakamataas na hatol sa isang nagkasala. Kumakailan ay muling umusbong ang issue ukol sa pagpapabalik sa death penalty. Aking nakapanayam si Police Superintendent Ferdinand M. Del Rosario ukol sa kanyang opinyon.
Okay, I'm against death penalty because I know for a fact that there's still a chance for these people to reform themselves, because somehow, as they have said, these people are who were convicted for a certain crime should be rehabilitated and corrected. And how they will be rehabilitated if that will be the penalty for them? So they have no chance at all. And people change. They want to become a much responsible person in the community. So that's why this is only my personal opinion, okay, as police officer, but not as a whole.
Ayon naman sa isang bihasa sa batas, aking nakapanayam si Attorney Maria Filipinas Aguilar ukol sa kanyang pananaw sa pagpapabalik ng parusang kamatayan.
When was the death penalty last imposed in the Philippines? It was in 1999 in the Leo Echegaray case, who died by lethal injection. It was during the administration of President Joseph Estrada. However, the same President Estrada, through the personal appeal made by Bishop Teodoro Bacani, suspended or declared a moratorium on death penalty. And his successor, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, issued RA 9346, which also declared the moratorium on imposition of death penalty in capital offenses. Now, there is a clamor to return back the imposition of death penalty in the country. My personal view as a lawyer, as a practicing lawyer here in the Philippines, is that death penalty should be reimposed again in capital offenses, considering the high rates of criminality from 2006 when it was suspended by President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo to the present.
Sa aking pananaw, ang parusang kamatayan ay hindi nakakapagpatigil ng krimen sa bansa. Ang layunin ng bilangguan ay hindi talaga parusa, kundi pagbabago. Paano magbabago ang patay na? Mas mainam pa magpalaya ng maraming nagkasala kesa sa kumitil ng buhay ng isang inosente.